So hello everyone. Today we are back at this video. So last episode I said we are going to do a run with random people and my friends if they are online, and then a solo to see which floor I can reach with using Yatta. So there's one right now. So I'm going to host, and I will open my and I will skip where we are now at the changing tune. And let's go. I hope all the mains. Yes, all the mains got in. Yippee! So I'll tell you all the mains that joined in this run once we're at the changing tunes. Okay. Oh, my friend is here. Wait. No. And the mains here are Shelly and Astro, two Yatas, one Cosmo, and two Rogerlings. Call me. Woo! Oh, wait, I'm fast. Wait, I'm a distract. Can y'all forget what you just saw? My keyboard. Uh, I'm distracting. Yata. I distract, right? Oh, give me that. Give me those. No. Woo! Eek! Wait, no, I cannot distract. I'm a bad distractor. No, please, 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 please. No, 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 no. Stop chasing me. Stop chasing me. No, please, please. I'm gonna take it if it's not 10 seconds. Okay, you know I'm taking it. Now I'm using it. Look at that. We only have pop, so I'm going to use that distract. Oh no, I forgot you. Me. Wait, let me just. I distract. So who's here? Oh, my twin! My twin is here. Yo, twin, where are you, bestie? Oh, I can use that because I'm a distractor. Yatata. Hi, Yata. Don't you dare. Okay, I died. So, I only survived on floor 2. I only survived on floor 2 with Public and with Yata. And I'm going to be so today's episode is you is this what floor will I live until I die, Distractor edition. So I'm going to my private server to call my besties. Or maybe not, because the creepypasta. Oh my god, they terrify me so much. So I invited my friends, and let's wait. If there's none, then I'll be solo. I'm going to cut the video for 10 minutes to see if they join. And then, may na sila. Wait, they aren't here. Oh my gosh. I guess I am going to do a solo with Yata. I hope I survive with her. OMG! Wait, yeah. I'm going to do this at episode 2 because I'm going somewhere. So, bye y'all.